Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will study about cyclic redundancy check. It is an error detection method. In this method, both sender and receiver knows a n-bit number. With this n-bit number is act as a divisor. Now let us see how this method works. Now see this diagram. This is the sender and this is the receiver. So suppose sender has to send this data unit to the receiver. Now see what happens in cyclic redundancy check. Both the sender and receiver knows a n-bit number which will act as a divisor. So what the sender does, first of all, sender will append n-1 bits at the end of the data unit. Now this extended data unit is divided by this n-bit divisor. So when this extended data unit is divided by this n-bit divisor, we get a remainder of n-1 bits. Now this remainder of n-1 bits is called CRC or cyclic redundancy check. So when the divisor is of n bits, then the CRC should be of n-1 bits. Now this CRC, which is of n-1 bits, it is appended at the end of original data unit. Now this extended data unit which we obtained after appending these n-1 CRC bits, this extended data unit is divisible by this divisor. When you divide this extended data unit by this n-bit divisor, you will get the remainder 0. Now this extended data unit is transmitted to the receiver. So when the receiver receives this extended data unit, it divides this extended data unit by this n-bit divisor. If you get the remainder 0 after division, then the receiver will consider that there is no error and it will accept the data unit. But if a receiver gets non-zero remainder after division, then the receiver consider that there has been some error in this data unit and the receiver will reject this data unit.